Hi kids, now we draw Peppa Pig. This is Peppa Pig head, now eye, and sunglasses. Peppa Pig mouth, mustache, head overall completed. Now draw the body. Peppa Pig body, round shape. Leg right side, the hand left side, the tail, leg, left side leg and right side leg, and ear. Now mommy pig head. This is eye, and right side eyes and mouth, mommy pig body, leg, hand, another hand, tail, turtle bag, eye, mouth, body, leg, and eye, and sandbag, head, mouth, eye, and body, leg, tail, hand. Now sun. Now coloring. Teddy big pink. Mommy big pink and head baby pink. Daddy head coloring the baby pink. Nose coloring. Ear coloring baby pink. Mommy pig nose. Pink, baby pink color. Turtle big head, sun big head, baby pink for turtle big. Sun big head for baby pink color. Mommy big body. This is the orange color. Mama big up, daddy big body, both blue color. Mommy big hand coloring leg. Father big hand coloring tail coloring leg coloring. Daughter big son big. Shoe color. Mommy big shoe black. Son big shoe black color. Father big shoe black color. Son big leg blue color. Now we going to body. Dotted body color. The baby pink. And red color. Sun big body or blue color. And sun color yellow. How is the drawing, friends? I think this is the nice one. Okay, if you are like this video, kindly subscribe me, like me, and share this video